Kayla Matthews for 3 Max Alliance, and if you're thinking of selling, watch these tips below to help get your home market ready. So let's take a look at tip number 5, which is getting your bathroom market ready. Real estate agents always say that bathrooms and kitchens sell a house. So keep that in mind when you're getting your home market ready and give some extra attention to your bathroom to help wow those buyers. So let's take a look at some easy tips to help your bathroom shine. First, you want to remove everything from the counters. You don't want people seeing your personal toiletries. Next, you want to do a deep clean of the bathroom and re-caulk anywhere that might need re-caulking. Then you want to replace the faucet and hardware of the cabinet if they look dated. Finally, you want to replace your shower curtain and liner and any rugs that are in the bathroom that might look worn or dated. These low-cost tips can help your bathroom feel inviting and look fresh for any new buyer. I hope you have found this tip useful. I look forward to helping you with your real estate needs, and I look forward to helping you customize the next chapter of your life. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, smiles are contagious.